Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Hidizs MK10 dynamic driver hi-fi in-ear monitors, and its price is $70 on Hidizs AliExpress official store. So I'll provide you the link as well, but first I need to know whether it's good or not. So this is my first time trying a product from Hidizs, so wish me best of luck. And you can see they've sent some ear tips too. So without further delay, let me unbox it and then we'll talk more about it. Welcome to my first impressions review section. First, let's talk about the box. It's a pretty minimalistic box, but a very solid one. So good for a $70 IEM. But I will provide you the discount code in the description, so you can get this in 62 or 63. So you get pouch as well, but this pouch is of very high quality, as you can see in the video too, and it has some magnetic style opening. I don't know what this is called exactly, but this is its opening style, and it's good, you can see. So the pouch is very impressive, and then you get total of 12 ear tips, so that's very good too. And then you get some 4 tuning nozzles, of course 2 for each. So you have 2 types of tuning nozzles. The cables are very minimalistic, nothing impressive here, but fine for a $70 IEM. This one is 3.5 mm, but 4.4 mm is available for this IEM too. And then you get user manual as well. It starts from here. My first impressions of these IEMs are that they are made of metal and they are heavy. So I don't know which IEM should I compare it to, because I don't have enough IEMs who are like this. So I think this is the first time I'm trying an IEM which is completely silver color, very shiny, and has some weight into it as well. And as far as the style is concerned, well, it looks like a big monster with a very big mouth. Anyway, if its sound quality is good, then I will recommend it. It's nothing exclusive, but a fine looking IEM. Let me now test it and then I'll come back with my proper review section. I have used MK10 for several days, and now I will explain it to you guys in just 2 minutes. They fit properly in my ears and they are comfortable as well, so fit and comfort wise they are great. As far as sound quality is concerned, it's good, but overall not very impressive. Vocals have a proper detail in them, I mean they are natural and you don't feel anything missing. Treble is on the balanced side, but it is not fully balanced, I mean it is 5.5 balanced, more on the sharp side, so it will be spiky on sharp music. It needs a fully balanced DAC to operate. Bass is on the hard side, but it is not sharp or harsh, but at the same time it is not soft bass as well. Sub bass is hardly noticeable. Overall, the bass is present here. Now comes the most important two things which you need to know before buying it. First is you need a very powerful source to drive this IEM. It didn't operate smoothly with my daily drive dongles. Snow Sky Melody would work fine with it. Second thing is that it is not airy, it feels very limited to some space only. It doesn't breathe freely. That's what I'm saying. So based on all these characteristics of its sound quality and the IEM itself along with the box, accessories and price, I rate it 7 out of 10. This is not my type of sound quality because I need airy, energetic and very bassy sound quality like Lamborghini etc. This IEM feels like Rolls-Royce, so I hope you can draw the comparison. My honest recommendation to you guys would be try to buy it as cheap as possible. So I will provide you a $10 discount code for AliExpress. Honestly, this IEM turned out to be good enough if compared to other high-priced IEMs. In terms of comparison to those, it is a solid 5-star IEM. But the competition is very tough these days. Anyway, that's it with my comments. I have provided a lot of discount codes in the description. The codes are valid for every product on AliExpress in almost countries. So enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will reply. Thank you.